What would you get when you subtract 1,700s, 110 ones from 6,800s, 2 tens, 8 ones? 8 ones minus 8 ones equals 0 ones. 2 tens minus 110 equals bare 10. 800s minus 700s equals 100. 6,000s minus 1,000 equals 5,000. Finally, the answer we get is 5,110. What would you get when you subtract 2,000s, 300s, 3 tens, 4 ones from 3,000s, 400s, 5 tens, 6 ones? 6 ones minus 4 ones equals 2 ones. 5 tens minus 3 tens equals 2 tens. 400s minus 300s equals 100. 3,000s minus 2,000s equals 1,000. Finally, the answer we get is 1,122. What would you get when you subtract 1,600, 3 tens, 2 ones from 7,000s, 800s, 9 tens and 4 ones? 4 ones minus 2 ones equals 2 ones. 9 tens minus 3 tens equals 6 tens. 800s minus 600s equals 200. 7,000s minus 1,000 equals 6,000s. Finally, the answer we get is 6,262. What would you get when you subtract 5,000s, 700s, 4 tens, 3 ones from 6,000s, 800s, 9 tens and 9 ones? 9 ones minus 3 ones equals 6 ones. 9 tens minus 4 tens equals 5 tens. 800s minus 700s equals 100. 6,000s minus 5,000s equals 1,000. Finally, the answer we get is 1,156. What would you get when you subtract 5,000s, 600s, 6 tens, 3 ones from 9,000s, 800s, 6 tens and 7 ones? 7 ones minus 3 ones equals 4 ones. 6 tens minus 6 tens equals 0 tens. 800s minus 600s equals 200s. 9,000 minus 5,000s equals 4,000s. Finally, the answer we get is 4,204. What would you get when you subtract 3,000s, 700s, 5 tens, 0 ones from 7,000s, 900s, 6 tens and 1 1? 1 minus 0 ones equals 1 1. 6 tens minus 5 tens equals 110. 900s minus 700s equals 200s. 7,000s minus 3,000s equals 4,000s. Finally, the answer we get is 4,211.